I see my first watermelon coming up. Okay, okay. Okay, let's see how many more y'all gonna come up. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, watermelon. Grow us a lot of watermelon this season. More cucumbers to harvest. Look at you laying down across there like that. Okay, let's see, let's see. Oh boy, okay. Okay, cucumbers, I see you guys. More cucumbers coming up. Okay. Okay. Little round ones and long ones. Let's see. I think I'm gonna go ahead and harvest you. And harvest you. Yes. Let's see if I'm gonna find any more I need to harvest. Okay, you hanging down. I'm gonna get you too. Okay, you leaning all over here like this, enjoying these stems and leaves. Go ahead and harvest you. Okay, looking nice. Yes, you are. Let's see this other one over here I saw. But yeah, Yeah, you pretty long, you. Look at you. I see you. Okay. Let me harvest you too. Try to twist you off there. Okay. Nice. Nice size. See, did I have another one over here? I saw one more. Okay. Yes, you're down here. Let me go ahead and harvest you too. Nice, nice. 3 nice size cucumbers grown in Big Mama's garden.